Russia. One was the
1905.
1905.
1914.
Another was February Revolution,
October Revolution.
and then October Revolution. How this revolution occurred, then this, then this. Till 1917, everything was over. So we have to see what happened before this. So the causes of this revolution is hidden in the problems caused in economy and society of Russia. We will analyze first how was the society of this Russia, what was its economic conditions, and then proceed. You have textbook in front of you,
Yes.
but I shall be mentioning everything on the blackboard. So it is expected that you pay attention on the blackboard. I shall be asking you some points from the textbook, so आप textbooks भी read. So how was the economy of Russia? As we have seen, this Russians 85% of population
Agriculture.
this was dependent on agriculture. This was dependent on agriculture. फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का एक पॉइंट. Here also, in Russia also, there was industrialization, but industries were found in pockets.
Yes.
There were two cities which are mentioned here.
Moscow and Saint
One
Petersburg.
is, yes,
Moscow and Saint Petersburg, or Moscow or Petrograd.
Moscow and Petrograd.
G-R-A-D.
So in these cities,
Here it is written Saint Petersburg or Petrograd.
after later on, later on.
And the first it was known as Saint Petersburg, but after the German attack, it was named as Petrograd.
Let us write it as Saint Peter's. So in these two cities, industries were found. Industries, which type of industries were there?
Metal and non-metal.
No, industries were of iron and steel. Two types of industries, iron and steel. Also, they were manufacturing in the industry the coal. These are your metals. इनका प्रोडक्शन कैसे होता है? एक्सट्रैक्शन से फिर वो रॉ मटेरियल निकलता है, देन प्रोडक्शन. These raw material is used as for further manufacturing of other products. जैसे कि आपका कार्स है, ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री है, यूटेंसिल्स बनते हैं आपके इनसे, रेलवे में यूज होता है. Why I am saying this? Because this is the only start here. ये जो स्टार्ट है, सेम टाइम पे आप एशियन कंट्रीज, बाकी की जो नीचे कंट्रीज है, वहां पे भी ये एडॉप्शन दिखाई देता है. अगर टेल्को, टाटा इंडस्ट्रीज, टाटा आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी, उनका भी जो इस्टेब्लिशमेंट है इसके बाद का है या थोड़ा सा इससे रिलेटेड. ओके. ऑल्सो वन कंपनी which is very famous company now is your, what is the spelling? I don't know. Volkswagen.
Yes. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. No.
Yes, it is pronounced as Volkswagen.
It is pronounced as Volkswagen. Why? This V is pronounced as F.
Yes.
This is because this is a company of Germany. So now let's pay attention. In the Europe, you had France, then you had Russia, then you had Germany as well. इधर पार्ट में है आपका जापान. India is a colony of Britishers. Okay. All this is happening all together. Fine. So here in industries, ठीक है, industries तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है? जब सब अच्छा है, आपका एग्रीकल्चर से आपका पैसा आ रहा है, इंडस्ट्री से आपके पास, then what is the problem? The problem here arise of metal and non-metal workers.
Working conditions.
In each and every factory, you will see what we will see. Two types of work are there. One is related to industries, factories, जो actually machine पे काम करते हैं. In that work we need more skills to handle the machineries. Other works require less skills, not an expertise. जैसे सामान उठाना, goods को उठाना, this requires less skills. So metal, कुछ ऐसे raw material से related होते हैं. So there were some metal workers and non-metal workers. Metal workers were paid more. More क्या?
Wages.
More wages.
Better working conditions.
And respect.
Respect.
No value. No, were considered aristocrats.
And better working conditions. Write it this. Better working conditions. These are considered as aristocrats. अगर आपको पैसे ज़्यादा मिलेंगे तो obviously आपका standard of living increase होगा. You will eat good food, better living conditions, everything. Non-metal workers were discriminated. They were not getting equal or you can say adequate wages. Huh? Okay, low wages.
Working hours were 15 hours.
Even the working hours, your normal working hours, ये जो concept आया है normal working hours. What? Working conditions. Now, generally, you have 8 hours of working in any office. Okay? Before this, they were working for 13 to 14 hours or let's say 15 hours. Even after working for this much of time, they were not getting enough of pay. Now read the textbook till then. Whatever we have covered. Huh? Chalo. Kader Sheikh. Ayan. Nafis. Read the textbook. I have asked you to read something. Sarthak is. Ishwar is not there. Sanish, do not touch him. Either. Mandar. Girija Shankar. Mayuresh. Sai Jaiswal. Sai Raj. हाँ present. Raj. जिनका नाम नहीं लिया उनका सब एब्सेंट मार्क अरे आप लिखना ना फिर धीरे धीरे पढ़ लो Which countries they became leaders? पहले उसी का So fine, where were we? On the better living working conditions. Let us pay attention on the textbook now. Okay. ठीक है. Let us read this paragraph once. This is page number 31. Workers were a divided social group. Some had strong links with the villages.
Second last paragraph. No, not third.
Workers were divided.
Third last paragraph.
Others had settled in cities permanently. Workers were divided by skills. Now, a metal worker of St. Petersburg has said something. Metal workers considered themselves aristocrats. Among other workers, their occupations demanded more training and skill. Women made up 31% of factory labor force by 1914. Labor force by 1914, but they were paid less than men. So even women were discriminated here. This is your economy is related to this part. Now, how was this social group created? It is because of metals. The workers were divided on the basis of skill, then on the basis of gender as well, which has affected the society. Now, to solve this, read. Divisions among workers showed themselves in dress and manners too. Some workers formed associations to help members in times of unemployment or financial hardship, but such associations were few. Textbook में देखो ना शुभम. How much guidance is given required to give you? Okay. Even despite their divisions, workers did unite to strike work when they disagreed with employees about dismissals of work conditions. These strikes, underline the sentence, these strikes took place frequently in the textile industry during 1896 and 1897 and in the metal industry during 1900 and So in your textile industry, some strikes took place in Russia, which was in 1896 and 1897. इस इन दोनों साल के बीच में कुछ strikes होती रह रही थी frequently. Also in 1902, in which industry? Metal industry, one strike took place. Okay? Revolution जो आता है वो एकदम से नहीं आता है, वो धीरे-धीरे करके आता है. Step by step. Fine. Now read about the countryside, what was happening in industry. This we studied about your two cities, Moscow and St. Petersburg or Petrograd. Read about the countryside. Peasants cultivated most of the land, but the nobility, the crown and the Orthodox Church owned large properties Like workers, peasants too were divided. Like workers,
They were also.
like workers, peasants too were divided. How? They were also deeply religious. Peasants were also deeply religious. Then, but except in a few cases, they had no respect for nobility. Villages में क्या था? Villages में peasants were there. Why villages? Countryside word is used because of this agriculture. Agriculture is done by your peasants. Peasants, agricultural laborers जो होते हैं peasants उनको जो हम बोलते हैं. So they were also divided. They did not give respect to the nobility. Nobles कौन थे हमारे? Okay, nobles were those people who were working under the Tsar Nicholas. जो Tsar Nicholas था जिनका empire, they were working for them. Yes, nobles are those people who work under the king. अब ऐसे लोगों के अगेंस्ट किसी की भी शिकायत होती ही होती है. You always have something against the senior. जो हमारी कोई बात ही नहीं सुनता. It is that person is from that department. ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट से जो कि हमारी केयर नहीं करता. They had such problems. Those were nobles. Nobles got their power and position through their services to the Tsar, not through local popularity. They did not get their position on the basis of merit. They had their positions, privileges because of the fact they were giving services to the king. Yes? Loudly, please. Tsar?
क्या बोलता है?
Wait. You will keep quiet, then we will able to answer. Get up and Tsar Nicholas was the king, na? We have studied about Russian Empire. Saket, come to your page number 30. Russian Empire. Tsar Nicholas II ruled Russia. He was ruling Russia at that time. इसका first. Tsar Nicholas का first. ठीक है. But these peasants, ये जो peasants हैं हमारे countryside में, these were different. They had something different in them. What was that? Let us read. This was unlike France, where during the French Revolution, pay attention now. In Brittany, peasants respected nobles and fought for them. In Russia, peasants wanted the land of nobles to be given to them. Frequently, they refused to pay rent and even murdered landlords. In 1902, this occurred on a large scale in South Russia, and in 1905, such incidents took place all over the Russia. Russian peasants were different from European peasants in another way as well. A difference is given between peasants of Russia and peasants of France. Why? Let us see. They pooled their land together periodically and their commune, their meal, divided it according to the needs of individual families.
Yeah.
Okay. So before starting this, if you have written down this, we shall move forward. You have to write this without making noise. Who said? Who asked? Write it down. One. क्या
अरे यार
कौन से
famous
क्या बात कर रही तुम्हारा I'm going to write the ball in 2 minutes.
No.
Write it in 2 minutes.
पर मैं पिछले चैप्टर का एमसीक्यू नहीं ले रहा
अरे यार
पिछले चैप्टर का एमसीक्यू नहीं लेना तो चलेगा नहीं
This chapter is going to come for your term 2 in which descriptive questions will be there. You are taking so much time to write only this. कब लिखोगे आप 3 मार्क्स की 5 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर
वो एग्जाम के टाइम पर लिख लेते हैं
जल्दी लिखो
एग्जाम के टाइम सबको डर लगता मैंने इसके लिए पढ़ा
तो आप अभी से प्रैक्टिस करोगे अच्छे से बैठ के
5 महीने
इतने बहुत बड़े
इसको लगा करिए
दिव्यांशु इन द लो वॉइस
इसको लगा करिए
Why do you have to talk to him now?
Oh my God!
Which one? Peasants in Russia were different from. Pay attention, अभी हो गया चलो. Were different from the peasants of France. Comparison is made. It is because revolution occurred in France. France revolution gave rise to some of the ideologies. Which ideologies? Ideologies like your communism, socialism, and one more was there, cooperatives. एक था cooperative की ideology, socialism की ideology, and communism की ideology. Now it is said in your textbook, Russia के जो peasants थे, they were already following these two ideologies, communism and socialism. What they used to do? Peasants क्या करते थे देखो. Yes. Oh, you have missed that.
And they used to gather all the land and then divide it to after
They used to form an
Okay.
association.
What they used to do? They used to pool their land. They used to pool their land, do the agriculture, whatever commune or whatever produce. Oh, क्या चल रहा है बेटा?
Together.
पुलना पूल ही है ना?
मतलब क्या है?
एक साथ.
ओके, पूल मतलब gather everything together.
इकट्ठा था।
इकट्ठा करना. लैंड को खींच के नहीं ला रहे ये लोग. ओके, पूलिंग ऑफ लैंड मतलब दिस पर्सन इज वर्किंग, दिस पर्सन इज वर्किंग, ये हमारा ही लैंड है. दैट थर्ड इंडिविजुअल आल्सो हैज द राइट ऑन दिस लैंड. दैट इज पूलिंग ऑफ लैंड. ओके, पूलिंग देयर लैंड, doing agriculture work, whatever commune. Pay attention, Utkarsh. Commune means your produce. जो भी एग्रीकल्चरल आपका प्रोड्यूस रहता है, that they used to share it evenly amongst themselves. What is that? Milk. हाँ, इसको milk. Now see, this is happening. Which ideology is reflected here? Socialism is reflected. Okay, and communism is also reflected, and cooperative ideology is also reflected. Cooperative क्या कहता है? बेटा क्या चल रहा है?
Everybody
What kind of discussion is going on? What does this cooperative ideology tells us? That form an association of people, work together, whatever profit you gain, share it evenly amongst yourself. Socialism क्या कहता है? Who is going to tell me what is socialism?
Share property, share it equally, and socialism.
Everybody has
a different system of government.
Government will distribute the property equally. It means there should be, we have society. Society का एक system होना चाहिए आपके ऊपर, जिसे आप कह सकती हो parliament and government. Government will be given the right to distribute the property. Cancellation of private property in the hands of few. What does communism principle, communism ideology says?
Share property, but they have to. But following a revolution means
Okay.
following an uprising.
Communism ideology is nothing but they also don't want the private property. They also want the equal share, evenly distribution of land. But that target can be achieved through a revolution, which is your communism. Fine. Now this principle, now see, अभी आपके जो peasants है, they are already following such principles, ideologies. Now in such a place, we have to insert a value of socialism. जैसे फ्रांस में था, फ्रांस में there were three groups of peoples, liberals, radicals and conservatives. वहाँ पे socialism लाना बहुत ही मुश्किल था. But in case of Russia, in the countryside, you already see the society in this way. आपके peasants already socialism को follow कर रहे हैं. Now, how the socialism has occurred in Russia? Let us read. All political parties were illegal in Russia before 1914. The Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party was founded in 1898 by socialists who respected Marx's ideas. Marx means Karl Marx ideas. Get up, do not sleep. However, because of government policing, it had to operate as an illegal organization. It set up a newspaper, mobilized workers and organized strike. Next paragraph read. Some Russian silence. बच्चे शांत बैठ जाओ आप लोग एक बार. Now please sit down.
And can I read?
No. I'm reading. Some Russian socialists felt that Russian peasant custom of dividing land periodically made them natural socialists. So peasants not, workers would be the main force of revolution, and Russia could become socialist more quickly than other countries. Socialists were active in countryside through the late 19th century. So now, जो सोशलिस्ट जो थे, सोशलिज्म जिनकी आइडियोलॉजी थी सोशलिस्ट, उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि हाँ कि आपकी कंट्रीज ऑलरेडी फॉलोइंग दिस, जबकि आपकी इंडस्ट्री में क्या हो रहा है, देयर इज डिवीजन बिटवीन मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल वर्कर्स, उनका इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन का ऑलरेडी प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. बट कंट्री साइड जो हम गांव के साइड देखते हैं, वहां पे देखो आपका तो इट इज फॉलोइंग, दे आर फॉलोइंग. So we can implement the ideology of socialism here more quickly, and we can take the help of peasants here who can help us for revolution against your king, Tsar Nicholas. Tsar Nicholas II. ठीक है. But before 1914, now to क्या बोलते हैं, to do this revolution you need something. You need a group of people. Some parties were formed. Some parties were formed. Parties means a group of people were formed. But all those groups, all those parties were illegal before 1914. Now the reason for its illegality is because of your king, who was not giving permission, who was not giving a legal permission to establish a party. आप अभी भी देख लो, अभी भी जो गवर्नमेंट है हमारा, we have a democratic government. Okay? To start a party, you first need to apply for that party. कि हमारा ऐसा ग्रुप है, हमारे ऐसे विचार हैं, please accept us as a political party. क्या? नहीं, ये हम बताते हैं. किसको बताते हैं? This you will find out. मोदी जी को बताते हैं या कोई और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, कोई और डिपार्टमेंट है, उनसे हम परमिशन लेते हैं, एंड देन एंड ओनली अ लीगल पार्टी इज फॉर्म्ड, अदरवाइज क्या वन मोर पीरियड ना? गए तुम लोग आज काम से, ठीक है? ओके, साइलेंस, शांत शांत शांत. Om is saying pin drop silence. अच्छा ये आ जाओ क्लास में आ जाओ, रशिया में आ जाओ फिर से. अब रशिया में क्या? सानिश. No, I can't hear you. आप सब लोग एक साथ बात करते हो. Do not do this. Because I am hearing lot of noise from this side. ठीक है, बस हो गया. One question is there. Listen to the question. Yes. No question. हाँ, online चालू है. Okay, legalization of political parties. What happened later on? Socialist ने बाद में क्या किया देखिए. They formed a socialist revolutionary party in 1900. This party struggled for peasants' rights and demanded that land belonging to nobles be transferred to peasants. Social Democrats disagreed with socialist revolutionaries about peasants. Lenin felt that peasants were not one united group. Some were poor and others rich. Some worked as laborers while others were capitalists who employed workers. Given this differentiation within them, they could not all be a part of socialist
Who
movement.
was Lenin? Who was Lenin?
Now we are coming to that.
Lenin was concerned only whose ideology is social. Socialism in Russia.
Easy to fight. Don't talk.
Fine. Now socialists believe that we can implement the socialism ideology in Russia very easily by taking the help of peasants. That is the reason why they formed one party, that is Socialist Revolutionary Party, in 1900. This party they formed.
Yes.
SRP, Socialist Revolutionary Party.
Yes.
What does this party demanded? क्यों बनी थी ये पार्टी? They demanded that land belonging to the peasants. हाँ. Yes, the nobles, land with nobles. Land of nobles to be transferred to peasants. Now why this was there? कि nobles से ही इनको क्यों problem थी? It is because nobles were working for the king. Nobles used to get some privileges. Like in India, also you can see जो किंग के साथ काम करते हैं, किंग के दरबार में होते हैं. अगर कोई अच्छा काम कर दे उनके लिए, what they do? कि यहाँ चलिए जमीन पे. This land is yours. You can get this much of jewelry for you. In such a way, land privileges were given to nobles.
I mean, they did not
In
get
India, they were called Sardar and outside they were called
Yes, नहीं मिला रहता तो
किसको?
nobles को.
Nobles were these persons who were working, who were giving services to the Tsar. Tsar उनसे कुछ लेबर का काम नहीं करा रहे थे.
Yes, yes.
किंग के दरबार में होते हैं ना आपके लीगल एडवाइजर्स होते हैं, ऑफिस पर्सन्स होते हैं, क्लरिकल जॉब्स होते हैं. These persons were this nobles. Nobles land to be transferred to the peasants. One mark question may be asked here. किसका ये था objective of Socialist Revolutionary Party. But one person came here. His name is Vladimir Lenin. What does this person believe? Yes,
Socialism.
He believed that the peasants were not equal, some were rich and some were poor.
Vladimir Lenin came with one more ideology. There were many socialists, various social reformers working for the benefit of society. फिर ये आते हैं Vladimir Lenin. He observed the condition of Russia. ठीक है, you are saying we can bring the socialism in Russia. True, with the help of peasants. But he observed peasants. Peasants को उन्होंने observe किया. Peasants का देखा कि कुछ peasants जो है, some are rich, some are poor. Okay. When there is this inequality on the basis of your income के basis पे आपकी inequality है. peasant side, countryside. Still there is a problem.
Some were laborers and some were capitalists.
Some were working. Okay, this one is also a problem. Another problem was of labor and capitalist. Now, labor is one who works for another person. किसी के अंडर आप काम करते हैं. What do you mean by capitalist?
Those who employ someone for capital.
Those who? Okay, another one?
Employee. Those who employ someone.
Okay, and another answer?
I'm like boss.
Like a boss. Any other answer? Manager. That one is capitalist. Any other?
And those who invest in others.
Okay. Any other? Okay. We'll take all the answers and find out what is the meaning of capitalist. Labor is one who is working for others. Capitalist is one who is employing the others. We have seen the meaning of capitalism in the previous class. देखा था? कौन था capitalist? Capitalist is one business owner is there. He establishes a factory. He employs worker. Worker gets fixed wages and salary, even if how much output is produced. Okay. All the profit earned there will be shared by this businessman. This is the theory. This is the ideology of capitalism. ठीक था? अब एक तो डिफरेंस क्या है पीजेंट्स में. व्लादिमीर लेनिन ने बोला कि आपके कुछ पीजेंट्स रिच एंड पुअर हैं, कुछ पीजेंट्स आपके एज अ लेबरर काम करते हैं, एंड सम पीजेंट्स आर योर कैपिटलिस्ट हु एम्प्लॉय अदर्स. Now in such a situation, how can you implement the ideology of socialism? फिर से टफ है. अब क्या करना चाहिए देखिए. फिर आते हैं हम नेक्स्ट. The party was, pay attention on the textbook now. The party was divided over the strategy of organization. Vladimir Lenin, who led the Bolshevik group, thought that in a repressive society like Tsarist Russia, the party should be disciplined and should, pay attention, and should control the number and quality of its members. Other Mensheviks thought that the party should be open to all as in Germany. Now we will study about Vladimir Lenin's rule, but let us have a look at what he wanted to say. इनका क्या कहना था पहले हम ये देखते हैं. फिर इनकी जो बायोग्राफी है, we have to also have to study about Karl Marx as well. उनका भी एक मेंशन है यहाँ पे. So this Lenin, the society again got divided into two. Again got divided into two is your Bolshevik and your Menshevik. Yes, ma'am. If I click a picture here, looking at the picture, you will know who does not have the textbook and who has. If you don't have a textbook, how are you going to read? Without reading, how are you going to study? How many don't have textbooks? Stand up, please. When am I going to have the text with you? Quick, I want the time. By when are you going to buy the textbooks? Hello, I'm asking a question. Social studies, you have got 5 different topics. Am I right, ma'am? 4. 1 less. How are you hoping to do anything without reading it? Give me a time, come on. Today is the 27th. Vimal, now it is barely 5 kilometers away from here.
There are other places also where you can buy books from. Online भी मांग लो, तीसरे दिन घर पे आता है. Tell me when you're going to have the textbooks. Quick. Please write down the names. Tanish, Sarthak. Yes? Gaurav. Om. So softly you're saying now. Yes? Shubham, Patel. Next. And Aryan. Father. When? Your school started on the 1st of April. One whole term is over. I need textbooks. If you don't have textbooks, get the soft copies, get their printout and bring the printout. I care it affects how the sources, but you need to read in front of your eyes with this teaching. Do you get this? देख नहीं बोल जाएगा. 30 तारीख तक दे रही हूँ मैं. On the 30th, when I come, I want to see them in your hands. Whether teachers will have the lesson or not. Ma'am, which lecture is this? Political science? History. History. Your history textbooks will be in your hands on 30th. Whether you have a test or day, but then you have exams or period or not. I'll come and you will go bring an action that we do.
Thank you, ma'am. No.
And Bolshevik and Bolshevik.
Now, since Lenin has, pay attention now. I'm writing on the blackboard also, in case you don't have textbook. Huh?
No, don't write.
सुन लो बेटा, मास से भी आवाज आती है. No, because Lenin has observed your Russian society, your peasants. Because of that, two groups are formed. One is Bolshevik and Menshevik. Bolshevik means majority of the party, majority of the population, and Menshevik, this is a term Russian language है. This means less, minority. थोड़े कम लोग, थोड़े ज़्यादा लोग. So Bolshevik, इनका aim था that the revolution should take place, but the revolution should be in a disciplined manner. This was the ideology, this was the thinking of your Bolshevik group. Bolshevik group were those people who were with Lenin, जिनका ये कहना था क्या? Revolution in disciplined manner. I'm going to check your notebooks also, so write it down. लिख लो अभी. Written? Now, since it is to be in a disciplined manner, अब जो disciplined manner में अगर हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, we cannot employ, we cannot ask anyone who is of the view of violence. जो भी violence चाहता है, उसको हमारी टीम में आने की जरूरत नहीं है. Do not come. That is the reason why this party, this group was restricted to only those who believed कि एक disciplined manner से, एक proper system से revolution आना चाहिए. Others were not invited here. Whereas in Menshevik group, these people were those who believed कि जो party है आपकी revolution की party, it should be open to all. Anyone can come for revolution. Your objective is this. कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है, इसको अचीव करने के दो तरीके, या तो सीधे रास्ते से या उल्टे रास्ते से. बट द फीलिंग इज सेम. एक ग्रुप चाहता है कि वी वांट डिसिप्लिन मैनर, सेकेंड ग्रुप वॉन्ट्स, आपको रिवोल्यूशन चाहिए, आपको लगता है गलत हो रहा है, आ जाओ आप हमारे पास, भले ही आपका तरीका कैसा भी your way may be different, but come for revolution. Let that revolutionary party be open to all, as it was happening in Germany. What was happening in Germany, we are going to study that in next chapter for sure. You have written? Have you written? Who hasn't?
I'm confident of it.
Sit straight. आप लोग ऐसे ऐसे करके बैठो ना, आप लोगों को नींद आती है।
और आपको नींद आई थी?
No personal question.
पर्सनल थोड़ी सब लोग के साथ।
फिर मैं बता दूंगी, फिर आप बोलोगे मैम आपकी क्लास में नहीं करा है।
मतलब आप सोते हो।
नहीं, हम नहीं सोते।
आप तो यही बोलोगे।
It is हो गया? Fine, let us proceed to another. I have to write it for you. जो लोग ये टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं लाते हैं ना, उनके लिए।
पर तुम हम हो गया लेके।
No, we have time. क्या? So since these revolutions were taking place in parts, धीरे, but turbulent times, pay attention, but turbulent time came in Russia. कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो कि बहुत ही बुरा हुआ, जिसके वजह से और भी ज्यादा बुरा होता गया फ्यूचर में. That time is of your, pay attention, 1905 revolution. Now, like in India, 1857, which was our first revolt against the Britishers, gave rise to other things. The same way, this revolution happened in Russia in the year 1905. What happened? Okay, Russia was an autocracy.
Yes.
Unlike other European rurals, pay attention on the textbook. क्यों बात कर रहे हो आप? You have the textbook ना?
Yes.
Pay attention. Shubham. Even beginning at the 20th century, the Tsar was not subject to parliament. Liberals in Russia campaigned to end this state of affairs together with the social democrats and social revolutionaries. They worked with peasants and workers during the revolution of 1905 to demand a constitution. They were supported in the empire by nationalists. टेक्स्ट देखो ना, मेरी तरफ क्यों देख रहे हो? In Poland, for instance, and in Muslim-dominated areas by jihadists. In the textbook, look it in the textbook. Gaurav, who wanted modernized Islam to lead their societies. So Russia was an autocracy. What do you mean by autocracy?
Rule of the king by himself.
Okay, rule of the king by himself. ठीक है. Only one person was ruling Russia. That is your autocracy. Now, in such a country, in such a place, at such a place, you wanted the concepts like socialism.
And the person in charge was not accountable for anything.
Okay. Now, what was happening? Even after so many revolutions, Tsar को हम लोग परेशान कर रहे थे, but still, Tsar Nicholas was not capable of establishing a parliament. अब तक parliament एक system establish नहीं हुई थी. Liberals in Russia campaigned to end this state of affairs. Who? लिबरल्स कैंपेन टू एंड द स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स. जो कुछ भी चल रहा था, अरे कितना रिवॉल्यूशन करोगे, कभी तो बंद हो ये. कौन बोल रहा था? लिबरल्स वेर ऑफ दैट व्यू दिस शुड गेट एंड एंड वन सिस्टम शुड कम इनटू इफेक्ट together with the social democrats and social revolutionaries. What do you mean by these two terms now? Social democrats now and social revolutionaries.
मैम अगर पेपर में डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर में क्वेश्चन पूछा तो हम फ्लो चार्ट बना देंगे.
नहीं, आपको सेंटेंस लिखना है पूरा.
ये समझ जाएगा मैं आपको.
मैम फिर ये क्यों लिखा?
बोला क्या लिखा?
क्या लिखूं फिर मैं?
चार्ट्स.
मैं इनको क्वेश्चन आंसर चाहिए.
Question answers will be discussed later. Now, what do you mean by social democrats? Yes. Okay. And
They want
social
democracy.
yes.
They
I am
want
asking the difference between the two. अब आप देखो सोशलिज्म का तो आपको मीनिंग पता है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिवॉल्यूशन एंड डेमोक्रेट्स एंड रिवॉल्यूशनरीज?
रिवॉल्यूशन मतलब एक
And democracy, they want everything in form of democracy. They will work according to democracy, and revolutionary will do whatever they do.
ओके.
मैम रेवोल्यूशन में उनकी मत नहीं चलती
वही डेमोक्रेसी वाले
On the blackboard, students, pay attention. So, liberals along with these two groups wanted to set up a constitution. What? Liberals with the help of these two groups, they wanted to set up a constitution. What do you mean by constitution?
Set of rules.
Rule of set, a set of rules.
Set of
Okay. He wanted that there should be, liberals wanted that there should be a constitution. They wanted these two groups to come together with liberals. They were supported in the empire by the nationalists. These liberals were supported by nationalists. Now, what do you mean by nationalist? What do you mean by nationalism?
Those who want to fight for the country.
देशभक्त, fight for the country. अच्छे इंसान
They
और
love fighters and love their country.
love their country. Nationalism is a
What is the
freedom.
difference between nationalists and patriots?
Patriots. What is the difference?
वही तो पूछना है.
Okay, nationalism is a love towards your nation as a whole country. One thing about jihadists is also mentioned here, and in Muslim-dominated areas by jihadists, these jihadists, who were these jihadists?
Muslim reformers will. Muslim reformers.
Do you know this? The meanings of jihadists? और ये सब पता हो?
मैम नीचे लिखा है. Muslim reformers within Russian Empire.
Muslim reformers within the Russian Empire. You haven't heard these words before?
Yes, we have heard.
Raj, के बैठो. Sanish, ठीक से बैठो. ठीक से बैठो बेटा. Okay, now coming to our revolution again. What is happening, Shashank? Next. Let that boy come, then go. The year 1904 was particularly a bad one. The year 1904 तुम लोग सारे टीचर को ऐसे ही परेशान करते हो क्या?
नहीं
फिर
नहीं
क्यों ऐसा करते
मैम
हो?
हम परेशान नहीं करते टीचर परेशान हो जाते
आ जाओ क्लास में.
मैम 2 पीरियड
So before 1905, one year was 1904. This year was bad for the Russian people. Why? Let us see. Especially bad for Russian workers. Prices of essential goods rose so quickly that real wages declined by 20%. In the year 1904, the prices of essential goods. What do you mean by essential goods?
needed
Which are needed, which are the basic necessities of life. ऐसे goods की price increase हो गई. Price increase
We read no
And-
French Revolution about substitution crisis.
and means grains or
Okay.
whole grains concept that
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Every day you
Every day it increases. ठीक है, जैसा भी आपका concept है economics का, वैसे increase हो रहा था. इसके वजह से it affected the wages of your workers.
Yes.
The real wages.
And the 20%.
Real wages reduced by your 20%. Now, what do you mean by real wages? Suppose you're earning a wages of rupees 1,000. Pay attention. You're earning a wage of rupees 1,000 per month.
that they will give only 500
Per month, अगर आपको just an example 1,000 मिल रहा है, उसमें से आपके expenses कितने?
800 rupees.
Let us
600 rupees.
100
Are silence. Out of this income, your monthly expenses. Listen. क्यों बात करते हो यार आप लोग?
ये ना हमें ये हम तीनों साथ बैठ कर
Do not talk, please. पूरा मजा खराब हो जाता है लिसन कराने का. Now, out of this 1,000, you might be having some expenditure. हमारे expenditure कुछ होते हैं जो कि pre-decided होते हैं. We form the budget, we prepare the budget. अब ऐसी हालत में आपकी जो expenses है वो बढ़ रहे हैं. राशन का सामान जो है उसका expenditure आपका बढ़ रहा है. So first, before that, suppose your expenditure is rupees 400. Now this rupees 600 are your real wages after deducting your expenditure. This is even less.
and what is that
And for women it is even less because उनको already there is a disparity of gender and because of that they were getting paid less.
20 or 26
क्या? 20 है. This is in your textbook also.
20
Now next, what happened because of this? The membership of Workers Association rose dramatically. When 4 members of the Assembly of Russian Workers, which had been formed in 1904, were dismissed at the Putilov Iron Works, there was a call for industrial action. Over the next few days, over 110,000 workers, pay attention in the textbook, in the St. Petersburg, went on strike demanding a reduction in the working day to 8 hours, an increase in wages and improvement in working conditions. Now in 1904, पहले ही ये चल रहा है हमारा, क्या हो रहा है कि रियल वेजेस बहुत ही कम है आपके हाथ में. ऊपर से आपने क्या कर दिया कि कुछ one party is mentioned here. The name of that party is, which party is this? Workers Association, Assembly of Russian Workers. This was an assembly, नहीं, Assembly of Russian Workers, जहाँ पे जिनके members जो workers की जो association होती है, this was this association. अब इसमें से कुछ 4 members थे. The members of क्या?
and the working time of the worker is 15 hours, okay? And then if they work 18 hours over the week of time,
then only they get only 6 wages.
Yes, they were not getting bonus.
वो लोग सोते कब हैं?
They were not getting bonus. Their living condition was affected. From room 2 they were sleeping in dormitories. Dorms जो होते हैं. What do you mean by dorms? एक ऐसा रूम रहता है, वहाँ पे बेड्स लगा देते हैं. Workers का काम होने के बाद only for sleeping the beds are given. No proper room for sanitation also.
I'm like hostel.
हम यानी कि दिन में 24 घंटा काम से बहुत बोलती है।
आप सुनते हो
ऐसा कोई काम भी नहीं करते।
So the 4 members of that assembly of workers were dismissed from one industry. The name of industry is given Putilov Iron Work Industry. पहले ही वेजेस कम है, ऊपर से आपने 4 और लेबर्स को वर्कर्स को जॉब से हटा दिया. This led to uprising. क्या हुआ? They demanded something from the government or from the people. देखते हैं. Over the next few days, over 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike demanding a reduction in working day and increase in wages. 1,10,000 workers कहाँ चले गए? Okay, and they demanded 2 things: increase in wages and reduction in number of working hours. अभी strike चल रहा है, अच्छे से चल रहा है. No any violence is happening here. But what did Tsar Nicholas do? Tsar Nicholas ने क्या किया इसके ऊपर? ये हम
गोली से भूल गए। Ma'am, 100 people were murdered and 300 were found.
Okay.
Oh shit.
When the okay. Silence क्या हो गया? Next part. When the procession of workers led by your father kept on, underline this person's name. Underline. You have textbooks, Sakib. Father kept on. What do you mean by क्या हो गया? आप क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? It's okay. शांत बैठ जाओ आप लोग. थोड़ी सी गर्मी होगी, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा. What do you mean by procession? Yes, procession. Natasha? Who marched towards? Okay, a group of people marched together is known as procession. Strike was happening, strike was taking place. There was a procession निकला था. Procession यानी कि group of people together, banners वगैरह लेके जा रहे थे. This group was led by one person. His name is Father Gapon. This procession, and it is given in the textbook. Now this procession reached to their Winter Palace. It was attacked by the police and Cossacks. Over 100 workers were killed and about 300 wounded. अब ये procession इनकी strike अच्छे से चल रही है, ये लोग जा रहे हैं आराम से. But this procession was attacked by the police and Cossacks. Now who are these Cossacks?
And the people are appointed by the king to get discipline in the society.
Do you know the meaning of Cossacks?
Yes.
आपको पहले पता था?
Yeah, you know what it is like. And CO is Cossacks एक ऐसी टीम रहती है
under the rule of king or the government, whatever you can say, जो जिनका काम रहता है to control anything violently with the help of ammunition or anything, जो ऐसे लाठी या गन्स और उनका काम यही रहता है, कुछ भी है प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है इनको भेज दो, सबसे पहले कौन जाएगा, कोसाक्स एंड द पुलिस, दे विल गेट, हाँ तालिबान नहीं रहता, तालिबान इज डिफरेंट, they are those who come on horses. Listen, before this horses were used, they are known as cavalry. उनका भी एक है mention बाद में. So because of these attacks, लाठी चार्ज ये जो भी हो रहा था इनके ऊपर, 100 were killed and 300 were wounded in this strike. The incident known as Bloody Sunday. Which incident? This incident. ये strike जो भी इनके साथ हुआ, this incident came to known as Bloody Sunday. Started a series of events. Pay attention, Gaurav. Started a series of events that became known as the 1905 Revolution. Now, whatever happened with Father Capon and his possession is known as your Bloody Sunday. It is known as Bloody Sunday because
Many people were killed.
no, bloody was okay. There were bloodshed, 100 were killed, 300 were wounded. Sunday is because the day was Sunday. What was the date then? You need to find out the date here. This shall be your homework. कि आप लोग ये date find out करो. Not holiday homework. ये अभी मैं Google पे डालूंगी. I know the answer, but I'll not tell you. Bloody. Listen, bloody here means it is not an abusive word. It is an it means कि bloodshed जो हो रहा था, खून खराब हो Next, what happened? 1905 revolutions. ये सब जब जो भी हुआ इसका इफेक्ट पड़ा हमारे 1905 में. क्या हुआ उस टाइम? चलो देखते. During 1905 revolution, listen carefully. The Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament of Duma for a brief. Pay attention बेटा, मुझे तो बात करने दो ना. कौन सा? Okay. After Bloody Sunday मत बात करो ना यार. अरे प्लीज शांत बैठ जाओ प्लीज. इतनी क्या बातें रहती. तुम्हारा हो गया क्या ये चैप्टर ट्यूशन में? If you are done with this chapter in tuition, do not disturb the other class. Okay, next. Strike took place all over the country and universities closed down when student bodies staged walkouts complaining about the lack of civil liberties. Lawyers, doctors, engineers and other middle class workers established the Union of Unions and demanded a constituent assembly. This happened with the workers, but even other group of people, just as lawyers, doctors, students, they also felt bad that what is happening in our society.
Yes, ma'am.
So they formed Union of Unions and demanded a constituent assembly. अब lawyers, doctors, students, ये सब जो है ये तो पढ़े लिखे अच्छे हैं. They know the rules and regulations. This should be taken place. इनका इनका ऑब्जेक्टिव था फॉर्म वन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली, फॉर्म अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई व्हाट SAR did. During the 1905 revolution, SAR allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament of Duma. For a brief while during the revolution, there existed a large number of trade unions and factory committees made of factory workers. After 1905, most committees and unions worked unofficially since they were declared illegal.
You can make only the homework.
Yes, you have.